All right, welcome back to another lesson. So today we will break down my worship by Thompson. Okay, we're gonna go through the entire worship process of a bass player. In the beginning, you never want to just start striking hard notes. Okay, you want to let the piano play. You want to let them sing, and then you as a bassist, you come in with the drummer. All right, but during the beginning of the song, you can still play something, but you just can't strike hard notes. All right. So I'll give you an example of that. We'll be in the key of A flat. See, you play the intro right now. You can play right now, but you can just play a little thing. Things like that. All right, we're gonna come in soon.
Receive my worship, all of my worship. Here's my worship, all of my worship. Father, receive my worship, all of my worship.
Let's go. 6, 7, 1, 4, 5, 1, 6, which is la, ti, do, fa, sol, do. Mi fa, la sol, mi fa, fi sol. The second part that will change. La sol, mi fa. You see? So the first time we did mi fa la sol mi fa fi sol. Okay? And then the second time we did mi fa la sol mi re fi sol. Or you can do mi fa re sol. Okay? So let's play it again. Mi fa la sol mi fa fi sol. This is the first time. The second time we'll go to the re. Mi fa. The second time la sol, then mi re. So I hope you get it. I hope you get that part. Mi fa la sol mi fa fi sol. The second time we do mi fa la sol mi re fi sol. All right. Nice. This one just repeats. Mi fa fa, la sol, la, la, ti, do, mi, fa, la, sol.
Saying I will.
6, 6, 6, 7, 1,
Say I will.
1, 3, 4, 4, 6, 5.
Say as long as. Say I will. Hey, let's take it up in this place. And I will. Not be silent.
Build up with the drums. Build up with the drums.
Say as long as.
7, 1,
Say I will.
mi, fa,
Worship.
la, sol.
Father, here's my sacrifice.
So the main groove in the song is like this: mi, fa, fa, do, fa. Okay, just the octave.